Meet the pro-level triple rear camera system on the Pixel 7 Pro. It includes an upgraded ultra-wide lens, with Google Pixel, your phone, buds, and watch are
Introducing Google Pixel 7. Now,
At Google, we strive to make our technology and product accessible for everyone to use. So super
better with feature drops that automatically improve your phone. Your photos and everything else on your phone deserve multiple layers of security. The Google Tensor G2 and Titan M2 security chip. Meet the Google Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro, smartphones built by level cameras. The Pixel 7's dual rear camera takes incredible photos in
Move your
stunning.
phone slightly left and down. Move your phone slightly right and up. Ready for selfie. 3, 2,